How to enable Passkey on Binance? Let's get started. First, start by launching the Binance app on your mobile device. If you haven't already, make sure you are logged into your Binance account. On the home screen, tap on the Binance logo at the top left corner of your app. In the menu, tap on your username at the top. This action will take you to your account settings page. Now in your account settings, click on the security option to access all the security rated settings for your Binance account. Tap on the Passkey. Once you're in the Passkey setting page, you will see a toggle switch. Hit the toggle to turn it on and enable the Passkey for your account. To ensure the Passkey feature is activated successfully, you must meet the following requirement. Firstly, you must have completed the identity verification process. This involves submitting an ID and completing a facial recognition check. Also, your account must have at least $100 worth of assets. So this is how to enable the Passkey on Binance.